Sea freight is a very popular transportation method from China to the United States, and there are two transportation methods, LCL and FCL. Today, let's talk about which is better, LCL or FCL. Which one is more suitable for your shipment? 1. The LCL process is more complicated than the FCL process. There will be a lot of goods exported together in LCL. When the customs checks, the compliance of your own goods is not enough. The important thing is to check whether the goods in the same LCL are compliant. As long as there is a problem with the documents of one batch of goods in the container, then the export customs will not release the goods, which will affect the transportation of the overall goods. Only your goods in the whole container are exported together. As long as they meet the customs inspection of the exporting and importing countries, then they can be released. 2. The flexibility of FCL transportation is very high. As long as you communicate clearly with the freight forwarding company, you can arrange cargo transportation, and the shipping schedule is relatively stable. For LCL, the transportation company needs to reasonably match some destination port, delivery date, volume, weight and other conditions, which are suitable for exporting goods in the same container, and it takes a long time to ship. 3. Generally speaking, the cost of LCL is higher than that of FCL. The cost of the whole container mainly includes freight, surcharges and port miscellaneous charges, and the cost is fixed. For LCL, there are also costs for assembly at the port of shipment and unpacking at the port of destination. Which is better, FCL or LCL, depends on your cargo. If the goods exceed 18 parties, it is cost-effective to choose the whole container, otherwise LCL is more advantageous. Of course, we must also consider the cost and hidden risks before making a choice. What suits you is the best.